We are at the Siberian Husky Club of America regional specialty at the Roberts Center in Wilmington, Ohio. This specialty is hosted by the Siberian Husky Club of Greater Cleveland and I'm Teddy Wampus. Sorry, guys. And our judge is Nancy Liebes, right? Yes, Nancy Liebes. And I believe we have junior showmanship first. Getting situated between the two, between states. I don't know where Ricky went. She probably went to the restroom. I'll put it. She's this big. Hi. You remember me, right? No. How are you? Congrats. Did you win something too? Is your mom down there? No? Okay. Did you guys already run your specialty? Because we just did sweets. Okay. Yeah, it's grabby and it's great. Okay, good luck. Thank you. All the chaos. I know. I think you know. Yeah. Yeah. And you know, and there's no perfect talk. No. So you say, okay, I can live with this, but I can't live with this. Right. Yeah. It's crazy.
You're going to be here all day, right?
Yes. Okay.
Megan wants to get pictures. Yeah. So, because we're kind of like rolling right in.
Yeah. And these are the juniors. And first is Mary Grace Kokab. And I believe this is Snow Miss Come Together at Snow Bear. But I'm not 100% sure. Breeder Kim Ramey LeBlanc. Owners Tim and Megan Chirella. He's by Grand Champion Gold, Snow Miss Quicksilver at Biggest, and Champion Snow Miss Simply Irresistible. And this is junior showmanship. This is the open senior class. And this is Michaela Kenyon. This is Grand Champion Silver Ogavon's Show Escape from Reality. RN, VCAT, CGCA, CGCU, Breeder Ivan Chikio by Ogavon's Show Funky Gummy Bear and Ogavon's Show Haru. Owner Sarah Kajawa. we're so happy to have 2 juniors. We wish we had more, but I think she's having her do a triangle.
So, you see, if you go here, you have to go here. Right. You can be they'll be after now. Okay. Yeah. I don't know how that happened. Okay. I have to go for smaller. Okay. Got it. Good catch. Do you have 2 sevens on your arm?
Megan's showing us. She's got it.
Okay. Because I have
Oh. Megan's got a 7. Because we have a sweeps number 2.
right. You got a few.
Right.
So, this is
Yeah, we're supposed to be 2 and 12 to 18. He's absent in that one. Yeah. He's going to be in that class. Right by class. No, not this one. The grade one.
yeah, but that's
First is Mary Grace
Yeah. Right by adult.
Cocap, and second is Michaela Canin. I'm like, is that how you say it?
Not Slovenia.
Oh,
Slovenia is Kosa.
Cosap.
But this is Koka.
In America. With the Pittsburgher.
I think we're good right now. I don't know how.
Yeah, probably if you want to pull the other ones. I just had them out so they could get stretched. I'm just going to lay them right there. Because they were all wrinkled, I figured.
Yeah.
Oh, I said that.
Had him for a long time in there, Mary, in my garage.
We are at the Siberian Husky Club of America regional specialty hosted by the Siberian Husky Club of Greater Cleveland. And we are going to start the regular classes in a few minutes. I think we're just getting ready after junior showmanship.
I had a conversation with him.
Oh, well, see, this is the wrong ribbon. Yes, so we'll just have to tell them we'll send her a ribbon. They want it, or they can use that ribbon, however, whatever the person wants to do. And then, I don't know if you want to grab. Here you go. And I don't know if you want to grab the winners. They're up there too already. That's the double list.
Number 5. Number 7 is number 28.
I want to what?
If you want to pull the double, because I have double ribbons for those two, for the winner's dog and.
Oh. See, I thought it was a bitch that was in that twice.
Has the catalogs.
They should be laying over there by the. They're by the bucket.
Hey, she needs another bag.
She needs what?
Trash bag. Somebody can goof in it over here. I didn't see anybody yet.
We just have to ask at the club desk.
I'm like hoping this dog don't poop.
Oh, okay. Amy. Little. After can she go over to the club desk and ask for a trash bag?
Yes.
It needs to go right here. Somebody. No, the W where it says.
This way. There is blood coming. I'm just going to let it go. Because
I know, that's what I was just thinking. That's nice.
what are you in now? But there's only 6 boys. And one bitch and one on the front.
Yes.
Alright, sure. Good today. Yeah, he's a great dog.
Oh, sorry about that. So that dog was drawn for Snow Bear. No, it isn't. I don't know. Yeah, drawn for Snow Bear by Hans Diamni, and that was the 12 to 18 class. This is
Correct. He is not.
bred by exhibitor puppy dogs, and this is Nicasa's Celestial Energy.
It wasn't that he's entered twice. He's entered in one class and one class. So you're fine there.
Our judge is Nancy Liebes. I'm sorry, it's like, you know me, I'm going 1,000 directions right now. And thank you all for watching the Siberian Husky Club of America Regional Specialty, hosted by the Siberian Husky Club of Greater Cleveland. And this is the puppy bred by exhibitor dog class.
Oh, that's right. I'm sorry. So yes, it has to be absent here. Correct. Because if
Stop it. Ooh, our shirt was fine.
I was going to say, that's not so pretty. And this is Nicasa Celestial Energy. Breeder owners Laura Anderson and Ramil Limson by Champion Snow Mist, Waking Up the Nation, and Nicasa's. Oh my gosh.
He's peeing.
There's paper towel under there.
I can't.
Laura, let go!
Squeeze it hard enough.
Look at the look on his face!
Is she holding on to him?
Yes!
Is he going to want to play this week?
Yes.
I'm just going to tell her if she rubs it on her face, it'll make her look yellow.
Oh.
Go ahead, do it.
I gave up. Can I try that again? Absolutely.
Are there extras in here? If you go out those doors, there's outdoor.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I need to take these.
They're like, they took a 5 by 10 and cut it in half of those, so it's like a 2.5 by 2.
Are you here tomorrow or just today?
We're here the rest of the week.
Oh, okay. I didn't know if you were staying or not.
Okay, yep, you can do that. Thank you for asking.
I give up.
So first is Nakasa Celestial Energy.
7.
Bred,
I stopped.
bred by adults.
Got my hands. Tell her what to do.
No, I didn't. She said there's X-Men's over there. So I'm going to walk over with the dogs when I get done. It's pouring down rain. I hope your windows are sort of up.
They're mostly up. They'll survive.
He is, what's his name? He's like 60.
And this is Snow Bears, the Archer, breeders Karen S. Potts, Dominic Potts, Tim and Megan Torella, by Champion Rocklands Dipped in Bleach, and Grand Champion Snow Bear and Joe Cars Bejeweled. Owners Tim and Megan Torella. Maybe I won't have any more activities. No.
There are, if you go out to the big garage building, there's public pens, there's big steel.
And first is Snow Bears, the Archer. Open dogs. This is Open Dog Class at the Siberian Husky Club of America Regional Specialty, hosted by the Siberian Husky Club of Greater Cleveland. Our judge is Nancy Liebes. And I am on the Robert Center's public Wi-Fi, and it keeps saying it's slow connection, so I apologize. But we seem to be doing okay. First up, we have Trepak and Sumac Judge Advocate General. Breeders Eileen Gatke, Sandra Reitzma, Annalise Reitzma. By Grand Champion Silver, Cedar Woods, Be Still My Heart, B-Cat, and Champion Trepak and Sumac, Aurora Monroe. Owners Eileen Gatke. This is at the Roberts Center in Wilmington, Ohio. It's a wonderful show facility. Yes, this is the open dog class in the morning specialty. anything else? We had stuff over there, you know, where we were. And the woman at the end, she knew we were.
Back on my normal schedule. She was meant to be calmer. Huh? She was meant to be calmer.
Hey. And I'm sorry, I didn't even read that one. That was Snow Mist Come Together at Snow Bear, Grand Champion Gold, Snow Mist Quicksilver at Spigus, and Champion Snow Mist Simply Irresistible. I'm going to make you sick. Sorry, I'll just hold it still right there. First is Snow Mist Come Together at Snow Bear. And now Winner's Dog.
Oh, good. I want to see her. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, back in for winners. I need 15.
Good.
15, 7, 9, 5.
You doing okay?
This is Winner's Dog at the first show.
No.
Yeah, I think so. Probably.
Well, that'll be a mistake. I'm just kidding.
Stop it.
This is Winner's Dog.
I know.
I'm gonna put you guys in the corner. And winner's dog is Snow Bears the Archer from the Bred by Exhibitor adult class. Number 7. And reserve is Snow Miss Come Together at Snow Bear. Number 15 from the open class.
So let's say 10 after, we're going to start back up with bitches then.
Is there a break before breed too? Okay. So that's the end of dogs. We're going to take a 5-minute break. So that she said at like 10 after we will be back.